Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying your activation state so you know exactly what you're fixing. Open Settings, go to Update and Security, then Activation. This tells you if Windows reports unactivated or a licensing mismatch. Once done, check whether your license is a digital license tied to your Microsoft account or a traditional product key, because that changes the repair path. Also, make sure to note recent hardware swaps. Motherboard changes often break activation and are why you may see that watermark. Next, use the built-in tools that resolve most legitimate activation problems. You should run the Activation Troubleshooter in Settings. It automatically detects and fixes common mismatches. If you have a digital license, sign into the same Microsoft account used when Windows was activated previously, because relinking often restores activation. If you have a valid product key, use Change Product Key to enter it. This is the proper route, rather than attempting unsupported command line hacks that can break the system or violate terms. Finish by resolving any remaining license gaps through legitimate channels. If you lack a valid license, buy one from Microsoft or recover your purchased key before proceeding. If activation still fails, contact Microsoft support. They can assist with transferring a digital license after hardware changes or reactivating when you have proof of purchase. Make sure to avoid third-party cracks or command line circumvention. They risk security and legal issues. Finally, create a backup and a restore point before making major system changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.